Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover deleted TikTok messages. So first of all, make sure to log in with your account on this TikTok app, and once you're logged in, just open this app and just go to your profile section on the most right side. And once you're here, you will see like these three lines on the upper right corner. So just click here, and from here just select settings and privacy. And once you go to settings and privacy, so just click on account, the first option. And once you click on account, you will see like many options: account information, password, verification, TikTok shop, and download your data, deactivate account. So just choose this option called download your data. Get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. So just click on this option, and once you click here, it will take a few seconds to load. So wait for it. And once you're on this page, so just like you can see, like select format as txt or json, and from here like you can select data to download, like all the data, or like you want to select the custom data. So let's say I want to download all the data and the format is txt, and from here just click on request data. And once you click on request data, after like your data is being processed, so it might take a few days or a few like as you can read, it will be available for 4 days. If you submit another request, your existing file will expire. So make sure to not request again, and after the 4 days, you will be able to download your data from this section. So just come here after 4 days and download your data from this section into your mobile phone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can recover deleted messages.